Good morning, children. Welcome back to my class. Children, in the last video, what we learned? Yes, we learned about how heavy and how light, right? And we also listed out the heavy and light things in our house, right? After that, what we did, children? Yes, we did one activity, right? That is preparing balance, right, children? Today I'm going to start the exercise part of how heavy, how light. Jaiju and Manu were shifting house. They loaded all their things on a horse cart. There were many things like a water tank, 5 sacks of wheat, 3 tables, an almirah, 4 chairs, 2 mattresses, 3 sacks of rice, a bamboo ladders, pots and pans. When they were ready to move, the horse refused to start. They wondered why. Their father said that this horse was not well and would not pull a load heavier than 700 kg. Oh, but how heavy is this load? They asked. Children, here Jaiju and Manu were shifting their house, so they loaded all their things on a horse cart, and after shifting the things on a horse cart, they are ready to move. But that horse refused to start. Jaiju and Manu were wondered why this horse refused to start. They asked their father. So their father said that this horse was not feeling well. So this horse would not pull a load heavier than 700 kg. Okay, one doubt got cleared, but they got one more doubt. Weight of the load they were loaded on horse cart. Father gave them some idea of the weight of each things. Things loaded weight a sack of wheat 100 kg, a sack of rice 35 kg, water tank 50 kg, almirah 70 kg, a table 10 kg, a chair 5 kg, a mattress 20 kg, a bamboo ladder 10 kg, pots and pans 10 kg, right? Find out the total weight they had loaded on the cart. Children, here we have to find out the total weight Jaiju and Manu were loaded on horse cart. Okay. Water tank 50 kg, 5 sacks of wheat. Children, for 1 sack of wheat 100 kg means for 5 sacks 500 kg, right? 3 tables, for 1 table 10 kg, for 3 table 30 kg. An almirah 70 kg, 4 chairs. For 1 chair 5 kg means for 4 chair 20 kg. 2 mattresses. For 1 mattresses 20 kg, for 2 40 kg. 3 sacks of rice. For 1 sack of rice 35 kg. So 3 sacks of rice is equals to 105 kg. A bamboo ladder 10 kg. Pots and pans 10 kg. Now we add all these numbers. Now I'll add 0 plus 0, 0, 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 0 plus 5, 5. I'll write 5. 5 plus 0 is 5 only. Next, 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21. 21 plus 1 is 22. 22 plus 1 is 23. Children, here we have two numbers. That's why from right side, first number I'll write here and second number I'll take it as carry. Okay, children. Now 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the total weight, children? 835 kg. Right? So now we found out the total weight they loaded on the cart. right? That is 835 kg. Now they decided to remove a few things from the cart. Which things should be removed so that the weight of the load is not more than 700 kg? So children, how much we need to remove to make it this number 835 into 700 kg? How much weight we should reduce? Let me see. 835 I'll write first minus 700 kg, 135 kg. So to make it from 835 kg to 700 kg, they should remove 135 kgs. So here I'll remove one sack of wheat, that is 100 kg, and one sack of rice, that is 35 kg. If I add these two, answer will be 135 kg. So 835 minus 135 will be equals to 700 kg. To make it 700 kg, we removed a sack of wheat and a sack of rice, right? The things which were loaded on the cart were big in size and also very heavy. To measure the weight of such heavy and big things, we need a big balance. But Jaiju and Manu wanted to make their own balance. They collected few things, a stick, two leads, and a thick thread. They made this balance. Children, you already prepared this balance, right, children? Now we make use of that balance. Okay, children? You also make your own balance. Write down how you made it. Also draw a picture of your balance in the box below. Children, here you have to draw your balance picture. Okay, children? Manu and Jaiju put a pencil and geometry box in the two pans of the balance. Which pan will go down? Why? Draw a picture to show it. Children, this is an activity. Children, now take out your balance. In that balance, one side you keep a geometry box and other side you keep pencil. Okay. Now hold the string and observe which lid will go down. Right, children? Which is heavy in weight will go down. Right now, children. So which is heavy in weight, children? Geometry box, right? So the lid of the geometry box will go down, right? So children, here what you have to do, when one of the lid of the balance will go down, at that time how balance will looks like, that you have to write here. Okay, children? Next one, what is heavier? Make pairs of different things and use the balance to decide which is heavier. First guess which things will make the pan down and then check with your balance. So this is the homework. Next one, what is the heaviest? Make groups of three things, for example, eraser, ball and paper. Use the balance to arrange them in order of weight. The lightest and the one with in between weight and the heaviest. Complete the table with at least 5 examples. Lightest, in between weight, heaviest. Children, if I compare these three, one is light in weight, paper, eraser or ball, children? Paper, right? So that's why they wrote paper in lightest. So which is the heaviest? Now paper is over. What is the remaining two? Eraser and ball, right? Out of these two, which is heaviest, children? Eraser or ball, children? Ball, right? So that's why they wrote heavy ball in heaviest column. So what will be the remaining in between weight is eraser, right? Now next example is mobile cover, laptop. So children, if I compare these three, which is the lightest in weight? Yes, mobile cover, right, children? So I wrote mobile cover in lightest. Okay, now what are the remaining? Mobile and laptop, right, children? Out of these two, which is heavy in weight, children? Mobile or laptop? Laptop, right? That's why I listed out laptop in heaviest. Now, which is the remaining? Mobile, right? Children, Mobile cover is light in weight and laptop is heaviest in weight, means in between weight is mobile, right? So I listed out mobile in between weight. Okay children. Children, remaining will be homework, and today I'll wind up the class here only. I'll meet you in the next class with a new concept. Till then, take care. Have a good day. Thank you children.